Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about that how you can schedule the creation of the snapshot from the volume. So in the previous video I have shown you that how you can create a snapshot manually and take the backup of that volume, but in this video I'm going to be talking about that how you can schedule the creation of that snapshot so that you don't have to manually create the snapshot every time. Instead it will schedule the creation of that snapshot, and every time something is updated in that volume it will automatically take that backup and you don't need to worry about it, right? So this is the purpose of this video that I'm going to be working on this. So let's go to the screen. As you can see here that I'm currently present in this AWS console, and what I will do here, I will first of all go to the EC2 instance, and after that what I will do here, currently there is no EC2 instance that is currently running. I don't need to attach it to the volume. Instead what I will do, simply I will go to this volume section, and inside this volume I will create a simple volume that will be available, that will not be in use. I don't want to be in use, create it in use. So currently this is the volume that I created previously. I need to first of all delete it in order to show you the process from this beginning, right? So let's go here. Now you can see there is no volume that is present here. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is to go to this create volume, and after going to the create volume, what I will do, I will change the size from 100 GB to 5 GB, right? Let's go to the create volume, and now it will be available after some time. If I refresh this, you can see here this is available, it is not in use. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is to go to the snapshot. So currently there is no snapshot that will be present of this volume that is attached to it. If I look into this, it will take some time, so sorry about that. So let's wait for this. Yeah, as you can see here that currently it is loading the snapshot, but there is no resource of the snapshot that is present here. So after that there is lifecycle manager in which I will be working properly. But before going to this lifecycle manager, currently there is no lifecycle manager. What I will do here, I will first of all go to this volume, rename this volume test volume, right? And after going saving this and going to the tags, you will see that this is the name key, this is the value, that is the test volume that is basically attached to this volume, and this is the value, right? Now let's go to the lifecycle manager. So inside the lifecycle manager, what I will do here, I will simply take this key and the value that is attached to it and add this value, right? So this is basically the target resource tag that I will be attaching to it. And now once this target volume is attached, what I will do here, I will simply name this policy. So what I will name it, let's name this life cycle test life cycle manager, right? This, all right? So I think this will be fine. So after that policy status is enabled, let's click on this. Now what I need to do, I need to schedule it. So how I can schedule it, I will simply click on this frequency, and I can schedule it based on daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. So this is depending on you, that and how do you want to schedule this volume snapshot that you want to create multiple times. So I will create this snapshot on daily basis, and the timing could be 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, it could be any time, right? But I'm going to select 1 hour, right? Or you can select 24 hours also if you want to, but don't need to worry about it. So after every 24 hours the snapshot of that volume will be generated, and this will contain the updated data of that application that is updated in it or currently present in it, right? And now this is the count. So the count is basically means that how many snapshot will be created behind this volume, right? Behind this snapshot creation. Let's say if you have one snapshot that is created after every 24 hours, or let's say if you want to create 2 snapshots, then for the 2 snapshots that is created after every 24 hours, it will become 60 snapshots, right? I hope you understood. So basically the snapshots are created on daily basis, and they are created after every 24 hours, and you want to get the data of the month of the snapshot that will be created. So based on the month, let's say the 2 snapshots are created every day, and you want to calculate this number of snapshots based on the month, so it will be 60. So 2 snapshots per day, and on monthly basis, if you count it, it will become 60. So it depends upon your calculation that what you want, but I can do any kind of number I can give it. But and then the number that you want to write is you need to write it in a proper way, so that the number of snapshots can be kept in that what you can say life cycle manager, so that you can understand that how many snapshots are created and they are kept in this life cycle manager, and for how many days, and what is the average amount of time that is basically creating these snapshots. So I hope you understood that what do I mean. So it will basically create 60 snapshots on the whole month, and after every day it will create two snapshots. So yeah, this is the overall thing. So it will create the snapshot after every 24 hours. So let's review this policy and create it. So now it is enabled, and you can see here that it is enabled successfully. And if I go to the snapshot, currently it is not present, but if I go come to it after 24 hours, I will see that this is the snapshot that will be created. But I'm not going to wait for 24 hours in this video to show you. Instead, what I will do, I will pause this video, and after 24 hours I will come back, so that I can show you that what do I mean by this, and what is the process that it looks like. So yeah, this is the overall video that I have tried to show you, that how you can create a snapshot and how you can schedule this snapshot. And once the volume is attached into this EC2 instance, it will be easy for the application to take the updates, and after that, after every update, it will take the snapshot after 24 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, depending on your need, right? So yeah, for now I don't need to make this video long for 24 hours. I will get back to you after 24 hours to show you this process. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.